Good morning, good morning. Let's do the Bombay Poha. The Bombay Poha is very famous in Bombay and Pune. So I've got some ingredients here. In the meantime, on the background, I will sing my song, which is the Tulu number again, which is going to be Kempu Bodu. Okay. So this is the Poha. Okay. That much. Okay. Oil. I've soaked it in water. Yeah. With salt. One lime. One onion. Few peanuts, coriander that much, yeah, that much, one potato, cumin seeds, turmeric, salt to taste. This one teaspoon, 1 teaspoon. That's it. Okay, let's listen to my song. Bangude. ಕೆಂಪು ಬೋರ್ಡು ತೂವೊಡೆ ಗಡಗ ದಂಚಿ ಪೋಡೆ ಒಂಜಿನುತ್ತ ಅಚ್ಪ ಪಾಡೊಡೆ ಆಯ್ತ ಮಿತ್ತು ಒಂಜಿ ಅಚ್ಪ ಯಾವ ಜಿಯಣ್ಣ ನನಜಿ ಅಚ್ಪ ತಿನರೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಕೈತಿ ಬಂಗುಡೆ ವಾ ಖುಷಿ ವರ ನಿಂಗೊಡಾಂಡ ಈ ವಾ ಖುಷಿ ವರ ನಿಂಗೊಡಾಂಡ. Okay, I'll continue after. Okay. Poha means it is beaten rice, flattened and made into flakes. Okay, originated in the Indian subcontinent or the Asian subcontinent, and of course you need to put 3 green chilies. If you need, you can reduce your spice. And let's continue with the song for a bit. Very easy to prepare. Okay, very easy to prepare, very fast, super in Bombay, Pune. Okay, and good to have it for your brekkie. Of course, you finely chop, okay, into small cubes. This will be finely chopped, and this one you can slice it into cubes or slices, depends on how you want it to be. Of course, you have to squeeze the lemon. All right, let's sing along a bit. Mamma borchi te bodiye ಮೂಲೆ ಮೂಲೆ ದಿಂಚಿ ಇತ್ತಂಡು ಬಂಜಿ ಪಂಪ ಪೋಂಡು ಏ ಬೊಡ್ಚಿ ಬೋಡು ಏ ಮೂಲೆ ದುಂಜಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೋಂಡು ಏ ವಾ ಖುಷಿ ವರ ನಿಂಗೊಡಂಡ ಈ ಕೊಂಕಣಿಂತ ಅಕ್ಕ ಪೋವು ಮುಂಟಾತ್. ಕನ್ನಡ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಳುಟು ಉಂದೇಕ್ ಬಜಿಲ್ ಅಂದು ಪಣ್ಪೇರು ಒತ್ತಡತೆ ದುಂಬು ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಎಲ್ಲೆ ಒಪ್ಪುನಾಗ ಸಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಬಜಿಲ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಪೂರ ತಿನ್ನಂದಿತ್ತ ಅಂತೆ ನೆನಪು ಪಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮನೆ ಇನಿದಾನೆ ಕಾಂಡೆ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಸಂಗೆ ಹೋನೆ ದೆಕ್ಕಿನಗ ನ ಬೊಡದಿ ನಾನೇನೆ ಆಸೆ ಕೊರ್ತೆಯನು ಎನ್ನ ರಾಣೆ ತಿನಿದಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ತೂವೊಡೆ ಗಡಗ ದಂಚಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಪಾಡೊಡೆ ತಮ್ಮಿತ್ತು ನಾನೊಂಜಿ kaiti bangude. So let's start the process. I just overfilled. I put a nice dish here. Put a little bit of oil. Okay, there you go. Oil done. Okay, just that it's all over the pan. Low medium flame. So you will see I've chopped my onions here. I've chopped my potato. I've chopped my coriander leaves. Chopped my chilies. And I can tell you, curry leaves would have been a good addition. Unfortunately, I don't have. And I have just crushed these peanuts a bit, alright? Let's start. Okay, we'll put now cumin seeds, okay? 1 teaspoon, alright? Saute a bit. Okay. Should not burn. Now we'll put the chilies. And now the onions. The flame will be a bit high. And now the potato. And then the salt. So now we'll put the lid and we'll keep it for a few minutes, but keep watching and check in between till the potato is cooked. It may take 10 minutes depending on the potato. Sometimes it takes 15 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes, but keep watching. Don't need of adding water. Low medium flame, cover close, and then we will watch. So it's around 15 minutes and I know it's almost cooked. So to check, what will I do is I'll try to pierce or cut through one potato. It needs a bit more, so I will give it another 5 minutes. So I've opened, it's very moist and good. You can cook your potatoes before, you see, very soft, very nice. And time for me to put my beautiful turmeric powder. This is going to be that much, okay, half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Then we'll turn it around, okay, just give it a small short mix. And now time for me to add the beautiful poha. Okay, let's add the poha, the bajil, the avalakki, beaten rice will go in this beautiful pot. Very nice, very delicious. It would have been good if I had my curry leaves. Unfortunately, I have to grow them, so it will take some time till my curry leaf tree will grow. So now I will add my lovely salt. So salt will be that much. You can check your salt here, and I will put a little bit more, okay, that much, and now we will give it a nice stir. But meantime I have my lime, so there goes the beautiful lime, limbu, whatever you want to call it. We'll give it a nice savory, tangy taste. If you, after tasting, if you feel it's not sufficient, then you could add more lime. So now we will give it a stir. Okay, lovely stir. Sorry. So the stirring has been done. I've added a small teaspoon of oil just to give it a bit of moisture. Okay, you could drop in coriander, chopped coriander leaves on top lighter, but I have kept them now ready, and I will leave it for this way for around 5 minutes. In a low flame. Okay. So my tasting is done, and I think I need another lime, half of a lime. So it's going to be nice and tangy and tasty, okay? And then it's time for me to add my coriander leaves. Mumbai POHA is getting ready. Lovely coriander leaves, okay? Delicious, tasty, avalakki, bajjilu, ಎಂಚ ಬೋಡಾಡ ಅಂಚ ಪಡೋಲಿ ಉಂದೇಕು ಒಂದು ಡಿಶ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆಕ್ಲು ಮರೆಪೊಡ್ಚಿ ಈ ಥರದ ಪವ ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಲೆ ಅಲೆ ಕಾಲೆ ಮುಂಟತಕ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಪರಿಬರೆ ತುಮಿ ಕರ ಕರ. Okay, see, this is the way. Now I'm not going to stir it, but I would just give it a little bit of, yeah, and probably slight, yeah, slight stir so that the coriander leaves mixes with the entire poha and it will give you a good flavor. Okay guys, time for plating. So there you go, the beautiful po. Konkanin po mantataka, the beautiful po, the beautiful poha from Mumbai, Pune, the beautiful avalakki, beautiful beaten rice is ready and served guys. This is the lovely, I can say, kind of bajil. So let's taste now the beautiful bajil or the Bombay poha with the lovely peanut and potato, the tanginess. Let me taste, eh? That's delicious.